Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by inspecting the extensions closely to find weak bonds or split tips. You detangle from ends up using a wide-tooth brush because pulling causes breakage. Once sections are loose, wash with a sulfate-free shampoo to avoid stripping oils. Then apply a lightweight conditioner for 1 to 2 minutes and rinse. Make sure to blot excess water with a microfiber towel. Avoid rubbing. Now you're ready for a deeper repair treatment to reintroduce moisture and elasticity. You apply a rich deep conditioning mask, concentrating on the midshaft and ends where extensions dry fastest. Once applied, cover with a heat cap or warm towel for about 10-20 minutes to help active ingredients penetrate the hair cuticle. While still wet and conditioned, divide into small sections and gently comb through with a wide-tooth brush. This distributes product without stressing bonds. Make sure to rinse with cool water to seal the cuticle, then apply a light leave-in to lock moisture before styling. You finish by sealing moisture with a lightweight oil or serum applied sparingly to the ends. Avoid the bonds. Once done, air dry or use a low-heat dryer and always protect with heat product before styling. Trim any obvious split ends to prevent further unraveling and set a weekly routine alternating moisturizing and occasional protein treatments. If extensions remain dry, check attachment integrity. Loose bonds or damaged wefts require professional reattachment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.